Ghana Premier League no ya board match day 28 na currently Samatex and that league no topper omo 52 points. The alternative no a Nations FC were around 45 into when year and a Diana more to so no so nyoma enkoye into with 6 games to go no a likely sitting from afar on paper wait man say Samatex and a number 1 a year obeji league no doubt so ye no nyoma year obeji league no unhu team bia this particular season obetimi age league no apart from Samatex wa position no hu ye pa na obi ene the question ba say Samatex ekoji league sa Samatex di league na Samatex say na ho odin so ontimi enko Africa Asante Kotoko obetimi adane slot na ama Asante Kotoko ana na ekoba saa na Samatex ene beka se me dane slot ama Kotoko ana say GFA ene choose the next in line ebi Samatex ni wini ye ena aduana ana say Nations FC atoso second nti ekoba saa Nations FC ena ekobo ana say de otoatoa so no in that order ana say Samatex ewotumi say obetimi aka say no me de mintimi enti me de me Roma tade ema Kotoko ana say me de slot na ma Kotoko emra no esesen yabo awuram kakra yenso de enim no ene ye deba and senior citizens are mo hwenso mu nyina no mo follow mo betimi de mo adwen kira ba but me de the moment anipa ne busa me sa question no adwe ba metirim ne say no Samatex yes omma according to the GFA status no ebi ade odi second no ena ebe ma no eligibility ne say onkobo sa de odi second no so ni ahoden a obetimi de abo a na de odi third sa anti ebe ba sa kopem team a we readily available in that order 1 2 3 4 enti yefo no say Kotoko 86 at the end of the season it will be very difficult for the Ghana Football Association to agree that Kotoko enko represent Ghana or Africa ekobasa na de odi to aso no ono na ebeto ne na so wa ahoden nko a according to course kakra me ye ni nchichemu kakra wo minim senior citizens ye nyina yesua de minim sa mra no foforo asesa Kotoko edi ebi a 5th 6 a obetimi akoba and in the event Kotoko etimi bowra top 4 kra ebi a omo to aso no entimi ankoba omo ebere etimi achusu Kotoko but Samatex enka se ontimi nkobo eno nso yen stating the fact so in case o win ya eno